Hey everyone, Tina here. Selling on Sellvia doesn't have to be hard. Sure, you can spend hours, even days, digging into different strategies, but let me save you the time. From working with hundreds of clients on Sellvia, I can tell you firsthand. Only a few key things actually move the needle. If you focus on these three specific tips, you're putting yourself on the right path to growing a profitable Sellvia shop. Today, I'm sharing my top 3 tips to selling successfully with Sellvia. Whether you're just starting or looking into boost your current sales, these strategies will help you move forward with confidence. But first, quick question. Are you feeling overwhelmed by all the e-commerce advice out there? I get it. There's a sea of information online, but don't worry. I'm here to help you cut through the noise and focus on only what actually works. I'm Tina, your trusted advisor at Sellvia. I've empowered over 3,000 clients to succeed in e-commerce. So let's unlock your store's potential together. Before we dive in, let me quickly remind you of the amazing tools and support Sellvia gives you right off the gate. You will get a turnkey store, a professionally designed website with a built-in payment system, plus access to a wide range of product packages and ready-to-use promotional content for any season and any niche. You also get a personal business growth manager, that's someone like me, to help you build your strategy, and a 24/7 support team always ready to help, so the foundation is already in place. What's your job? Attracting customers to your products. So let's talk about how you can do that. Having just a website isn't enough these days. If you want to boost sales, you need to be active on such platforms as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. Short videos are the powerful way to grab attention and bring people to your store. Consistent posting with engaging content helps you connect with shoppers and encourages them to buy. If you love creating your own content, try recreating viral trends with your product. Use high-quality content, visuals, and trending audio to help your videos take off. Or if that's not your thing, Sellvia has you covered. You get access to a collection of professional, ready-to-use promo materials that grab attention and drive conversions. And don't forget the SMM tool. It includes templates to make sure your social profiles look clean and professional. You also get ready to share product posts, images, videos, and descriptions designed to boost engagement and highlight trending products. You can even use the Instagram and TikTok store tool. From your Sellvia dashboard, you can instantly access a mobile-friendly store that's fully set up and good to go. With these tools, you can turn your views and likes into real sales, while we handle all the backend work. Everything is available inside the Marketing tab of your client's dashboard. Now, let's move on to the strategy number 2, influencer marketing. Partnering with influencers can truly transform your business. These creators have loyal, engaged followers, and their endorsement can build trust very fast. Here's how you can make it work for you. Choose influencers who match your brand values and appeal with your target audience. Be clear about your goals. Do you want brand awareness, sales, or just product launches? Work together to create authentic content. Whether it's Instagram stories or YouTube reviews, it should feel real and valuable. Ask them to post on multiple platforms for more exposure. And if you'd rather save time and effort, Sellvia's influencer marketing services are ready to help. We will connect your products with the biggest influencers on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Twitter. And you can reach up to 1 million potential buyers through explosive promotional content. Whether you DIY or go with our done-for-you solution, don't skip this strategy. It's one of the most effective ways to actually promote your products. Are you ready to take things up a notch? Let's dive into the power of advertising. Advertising is what connects your store with buyers who are ready to shop. When done right, it's one of the fastest ways to grow. Why is it so powerful? Reach. Ads can bring your products to customers all over the world. Smart targeting. You can focus on people who are most likely to buy. Scalable. Once you find what works, you can scale up very fast. But let's be real, effective advertising actually takes time, knowledge, and constant testing. That's why we built Sellvia Ads. It's a one-click ad tool powered by AI and decades of experience. Just flip a switch on your dashboard and your ads go live across platforms like Amazon, Google, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Our team handles everything: ad creation, placement, optimization. The algorithm learns what works and continuously places your ads in the highest converting spots. Whether you prefer to handle ads yourself or let the experts do it, don't skip this step. So there you go, the top 3 tactics that really move the needle in your Sellvia business: social media marketing, influencer partnerships, and smart advertising. All these 3 tools and strategies are available inside your Sellvia dashboard. Whether you're creating content on your own or letting the experts do it for you, the key is to take action. Getting started might seem a little challenging at first, but with Sellvia, everything built to make it easy. You've got the tools, you've got the support. Now it's your turn. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more e-commerce tips and leave your questions in the comments. I'll be answering them all. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Happy selling with Sellvia.